Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my Arduino and Ramps based Prusa MK2 Clone 3D printer. Frame of my printer is made from 12mm thick plywood. In this direction is frame pretty solid because of triangular plywood support, but in opposite side is frame moving and Z-axis is wobbling. Now I'm going to fix Z-axis to Y-axis. I'm going to use these parts: M8 3D rods, some 3D printed parts, and of course some hardware. You can find links for 3D printed parts in description of this video. Let's start with replacing of Z-top mounts. Now it's time to mount this part to Y-axis frame. This distance has to be same as this distance, so I need to replace these rods. So this is done, and now this distance has to be same on both sides, and distance in the middle has to be same as before disassembling of printer. So Z and Y mounts are done. Now it's time to connect it together. If you look at the printer from side, you notice that it looks like right triangle. This means that I can use Pythagoras formula to calculate distance between Z and Y mounts. In my case is distance 357 mm, so I set this distance between joints on MA threaded rod. As you can see, the Z-axis is now exactly in a right angle. Frame is solid and it's not wobbling. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.